Welcome to day 8. Look at the person you were 7 days ago, staring at a 900-word passage like it was written in ancient hieroglyphics. That person is gone. Today, you are a specialist. You have the radar for names, the skeleton for structure, and the grammar chains for the code. Today is the grand finale. We are taking every weapon we built this week and fusing them into a single unstoppable system. This isn't just about English anymore. This is about resource management. If you're ready to stop being a student and start being a tactician, type mission ready in the comments right now. Before we go into battle, let's talk about tool switching. In the real exam, you don't have time to think. Oh, what did that witty guy on YouTube say about this? It has to be muscle memory. See a name? Your brain should automatically trigger a radar scan. See a heading? You immediately look for the skeleton. See a summary? You start hunting for grammar DNA. If you try to use the skeleton strategy on a matching features question, you are trying to perform surgery with a sledgehammer. It's messy, it's slow, and you are going to bleed time. Use the right tool for the right job. So let's talk about the logic of triage. The 60-second triage. The moment you turn that page, the clock starts ticking. Most students start reading paragraph 1, sentence 1. Do not do that. You have 60 seconds to perform triage. Look at the questions across all three passages. Let's look at the easy ones first. Summary completion and sentence completion. These are your bank deposits. Do them first. Next comes the scanners. Matching features and name/dates. These are your quick hits. And finally, the thinkers. True, false, not given, and multiple choice. These are the boss fights. If you spend 10 minutes fighting a boss in passage 1 and miss 3 easy bank deposits in passage 3, you haven't just lost time, you have committed score suicide. So now let's talk about the not given ghost. The examiners love to watch you suffer. They will give you a statement that sounds perfectly reasonable, but the information simply doesn't exist in the text. I'm giving you a 90-second ceiling. If you have found the anchor area of the text, you have scanned the synonyms, and you still can't confirm the specific claim, it is not given. Stop looking for your car keys in the middle of the ocean. They aren't there. Mark it, move on, and save those 3 minutes for a question that actually has an answer. Now comes the extreme word hack. It's the panic protocol. You're down to the last 2 minutes and you have 4 true false questions left. Look for extreme words. If the question says everyone, always, never, or only, the answer is 90% likely to be false or no. Why? Because in the academic world, nothing is ever 100%. If the question uses soft words like often, can, suggests, or some, it's 90% likely to be true or yes. Use the probability of the language to hack the marks when the clock is trying to kill you. We are at the finish line. Before you go, here is your mission control checklist. Number 1. Check the plurals. Did you write result when the text said results? IELTS is a grammar Nazi. Don't give them a reason to fail you. Number 2. Check the word limit. If it says one word and you write the apple, you get 0. And third, check the bubble alignment. Ensure your answer for question number 24 isn't in the slot for question number 25. So now you have the radar, you have the X-ray vision, you have the detective logic. The IELTS reading exam is not a test of your intelligence. It is a test of your discipline. Stay calm, stay fast, and stay on the bones. This concludes our 8-day masterclass. You are officially ready to dominate. Go into that exam room and show them that you aren't just a candidate, you are an IELTS architect. I'll see you at the Band 8.5 celebration. Mission accomplished.